digital preservation is keeping our cultural heritage in digital format long into the future. And with digital materials, they have to be continuously managed and updated so that we can access the materials. So much of the material from that, from the 80s, 90s, 2000s up to today, these materials continue to be created and have to be continuously managed and updated. So our looking back towards floppy disks, making those accessible, is also setting up our strategies for how do we preserve things like Twitter if it completely goes down. Number one tip is lots of copies, keep stuff safe. LOCKSS, the acronym, very common in digital preservation. The more copies you have of something, the more likely you're to be able to go back to a different copy if something goes awry with your local servers, your computer crashes, wherever your files are. If they are no longer accessible, if you have another copy with digital materials, you're able to do that. So that's our first big piece, and there's a lot of sub advice under that, but that's really the number one, is lots of copies, keep stuff safe.